In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to submit a case with Salesforce support. Whether you're experiencing issues or just need some guidance, reaching out for support is a straightforward process that we'll walk through together today. Let's get started right away. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to the Salesforce help site, which you can find at https://helpsalesforce.com. This comprehensive hub offers a range of resources and tools to assist you, but today we're focusing on how to get direct support from Salesforce representatives. Once you're on the site, look for the Ask Agentforce option within the Salesforce Help section. This is an interactive feature designed to guide you in finding the best support solutions. Go ahead and click on it to start a new interaction with Salesforce's help team. Now, you'll notice a chat box for Agentforce Help appearing on your screen. This is where you can type your message to describe the issue you're facing or the information you're seeking. Ensure that your message is clear and concise. The more detail you provide, the better equipped the Salesforce team will be to assist you. Think about including specifics like error messages you've encountered, actions you've taken that led to the problem, and any troubleshooting steps you've already attempted. Once you've typed and submitted your message, you need to provide as much helpful information as possible. Remember, clarity is key to getting the best possible solution. Be patient as you wait for a response. The support team takes the time to understand your issue fully to provide a comprehensive solution. In some cases, chatting with a representative might not suffice. Perhaps you need a more detailed interaction, or the issue is too complex to resolve through text alone. If that's the case, all you have to do is indicate in the chat that you'd like to speak with a live agent. Typing in that request will alert the system that you need a higher level of support. Once you've completed these steps, congratulations are in order. You've successfully created a support ticket within Salesforce. This ticket enables the support team to assist you and also track the resolution process of your issue. To manage your support cases, look for the My Cases tab, located at the top of your screen. In this tab, you can find everything related to your ongoing cases. You have the option to view detailed updates, add more information as needed, and monitor the progress of your case. It's a convenient way to keep track of your request and ensure prompt resolution. By following these instructions, you are now empowered to submit a case to Salesforce support efficiently. I hope you found this tutorial useful, and remember, help is just a click away on Salesforce when you know where to go.